This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo Gelato. Start by chilling your mixing bowl and heavy cream, then crush 12 Oreo cookies into coarse crumbs. Whisk egg yolks and sugar over a gentle bain-marie until thickened, then fold in cream, milk, and cookie crumbs. Chill mixture thoroughly before churning, then freeze until scoopable. Serve garnished with extra cookie pieces. Enjoy chilled for best texture and intense Oreo flavor with a creamy finish. Combine whole milk, heavy cream, and sugar in a 2:1 cream-to-milk ratio to keep gelato dense and silky. Use 4 large egg yolks for richness and stability. Fold in 12 crushed Oreos for bold cookie flavor and texture. Warm milk with half the sugar, temper yolks to avoid scrambling, then cool before adding cream and cookies for best consistency and flavor development. Chill mixture well before churning to improve mouthfeel. Quick recommendation: if you like music while you cook, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings crisp sound to your kitchen and saves space. It fills your prep time with playlists or timers, and it makes hands-free recipe steps smoother. If this ad helped, please subscribe and like if you're finding the video helpful. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Churn gelato at a slightly higher temperature than ice cream for silkier texture and less overrun. Aim for a soft serve consistency, then transfer to a shallow container to harden quickly and evenly. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals, and freeze for at least 4 hours to set. Scoop with a warmed spoon for smooth serving, and let hardened gelato rest 5 minutes for easier scooping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.